Yep. Yay! Oh, look! A real
Dorothy,
fairy.
look behind you.
Wow.
She's a fairy.
You guys have wings here.
My name's Bunny, like a rabbit.
Look at
All these people are here to see you, huh?
Happy birthday.
A little bumblebee told me that you were having a birthday party, so I flew as quick as I could to come join you. Heel! My heel!
That's her brother.
Oh, very nice to meet you too, sir. What's your name? Hayden. What? I'm Cece. Your friends and I were trying to use some magic to make you a birthday present. And we're gonna keep trying at it. Would you like to help us?
You want to go sit in the back with the fairy over here?
As long as you bring the trail mix, we're good.
That's good. Look, Sissy. She's like, let's go have this show.
Love it.